each moment of the year. Just give me your heart for Christmas. Only your love will do. And with each sigh, you know that I have given you my heart for Christmas too. And when it's Christmas Eve, we'll sit around the tree and hear the church bells ring. They're ringing for you and me. So give me your heart, darling, for Christmas. Open it wide for me, and in return my love will burn as bright as every candle on the tree. Give me your heart for Christmas. Slowly the light unfolding, softly the dawn approaching. Anxious, frightened souls seeking hope, stumbling through sad desolation, wandering with fright and confusion towards a dark gaping tomb, a buried hope. Gently, an awareness of a loving presence. His words, do not be afraid. His message, peace be with you. Rabbi, remember